Introducing PrimeCostPro, the structural component estimate. All-in-one estimating solution for modern builders, contractors, engineers, and quantity surveyors. With PrimeCostPro, you can manage construction estimates faster, more accurately, and with greater confidence. Simply select the structural component you want to estimate. In this example, we are generating an estimate for an isolated footing foundation. Enter the footing dimensions, quantity, reinforcement details, and other project parameters. The software automatically processes the required calculations. PrimeCostPro instantly generates rebar schedules, material quantities, labor requirements, and construction cost data based on your inputs. No more manual computations. Reduce errors, save valuable time, and improve project planning efficiency. PrimeCostPro. Build smart. Estimate fast.